Bonjour, Natalie here. Welcome to Franco Foods. Today, I'm making an elegant yet deceptively simple dish, butternut squash bisque. To start, I'm roasting the cubed squash. Now, you don't have to roast the squash, but doing so gives an extra rich flavor to it. Bisque is one of those dishes that looks and sounds fancy, but it's actually simple to make and very adaptable. For example, I change the ingredients according to what I have on hand or what I'm in the mood for. This time, I'm adding celery. Now, originally, bisque was made with squab, or pigeonneau in French. The first time that bisque is found mentioned was by François-Pierre Lavarenne in 1651, who was the French chef of the time. He included it in his cookbook, Le Cuisinier François. Some years later, bisque was made with shellfish, and to thicken the broth, they would ground the leftover shells to create a paste. Now, with time, bisque has come to mean any soup with a smooth texture that uses cream as a thickening agent. Since I couldn't find squab, I figured butternut squash is a good second option. By the way, if you like making creamy soups, I highly recommend an immersion blender. It makes the process so much easier than transferring into a blender. The great thing about foods like a bisque is that you can easily dress it up for a special occasion, or you could keep it rustic for a cozy meal on a cold day. Et voilà, my version of butternut squash bisque. Give it a try and have fun with your recipe. Until next time, merci et à la prochaine!